Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you download songs to Spotify in your iOS devices. So first is to open your account, then make sure that your account is subscribed to any Spotify premiums that are flashing on your screen right now. So you have to have a premium account on Spotify since you won't be able to download songs and play music offline when you are not subscribed to a premium account. Anyways, you can always avail their plans starting from the lowest price. Second tip is you may search the albums that you want to download. For example, you want to download one of Justin Bieber's albums. So you have to click this icon so you can start downloading. This will also go automatically to your library so you won't have to search for this album every time. Lastly, if you want to make your own playlist with your own songs of choice, you may do so. Just click your library, then click the plus sign in the upper right of your screen. Then click playlist. So create your own playlist names, then tap this to add songs. At this point, you may now start searching for your favorite songs and add it to your playlist. And once you're done, click this icon to download your own song playlist. And just like that, you may now enjoy listening to your favorite songs offline, enjoy ad-free listening, and play any songs in order. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.